Looking for a cutting board that goes beyond the basics? The three-piece titanium cutting board set delivers unmatched performance and hygiene. Crafted with a smooth, non-porous titanium surface, these boards resist stains, odors, and buildup. There are no cracks or crevices for food to hide. That means cleaning is simple and fast, just rinse and wipe. It's a game changer for anyone tired of wooden or plastic boards trapping residue. Each board in this set is dual-sided, giving cooks the flexibility to prep meats, vegetables, and fruits separately. Switching sides helps avoid cross-contamination, an important feature for food safety. Unlike boards made with weak layers or mixed materials, these are 100% food-grade titanium on both sides. Strong, safe, and reliable for daily use. It's designed for those who take cooking seriously and want tools that keep up. The added handle is more than just a detail. It provides a secure grip during fast chopping sessions. That means no slipping like with glass or ultra-thin metal boards. Storage is just as easy. Hang it up by the handle when you're done. And it's kinder on your knives too. Unlike harder surfaces that dull blades, this board helps preserve their edge over time. No warping or cracking, just long-lasting performance you can count on. Safety is also in the design. These 1.7mm thick boards feature polished edges and rounded corners, reducing the risk of accidental cuts. Even in a busy kitchen, that extra care makes a difference. Each set includes 3 sizes: 12 by 9, 14 by 10, and 18 by 12 inches, perfect for different tasks. Just remove the protective film, rinse, and watch the board develop a unique patina over time. It's more than a cutting board. It's a modern kitchen essential and a thoughtful gift for any home chef.